Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today we have the mini size project from 8849, and I will use my mini knife to unboxing this pocket size projector from 8849. And the 8849 is the sister brand of Unihertz, and actually for this brand I used a lot of product from them. They do niche phones like the project phone, and here's my mini sized unboxing knife as well. Whoa, I have waiting so long for such a product to use my mini knife to cut the plastic bag. Yes, actually I have two mini unboxing knife, and I've used this one to cut up first for the plastic. Yes, okay, let's remove the soft protective film. Okay, and I really like these things, so each time I get new product, it's very relaxed, comfortable to remove this. Okay, so here is the 8849 Mars. As we can see, it's still sealed with a label. So, okay. Yes, here, another knife. I know maybe you think this is a bit too long to do the opening and unbox part, but okay. To be frank, and I really enjoy this process. Okay, so I have two knives to unbox this 8849 Mars, the mini-sized projector. But in my deep heart, still a question why it's called Mars. So I have no idea why it's called Mars. It's a projector and it's mini size. And it's from 8849, but why it's called Mars? Okay, but this is a question for you, and maybe if you have some clues and some ideas, please make a comment and let me know your thought. So finally, here is the 8849 projector, and before we check the main machine, make gadgets, we can also check the other stuff first. Use menu is a multi-language use menu, and we can get the basic introduction of the here air outing, air outlet, and also the different functions. So air outlet, laser distance sensor, project lens, air inlet, power import, video import, air inlet. This is very simple, easy to use project products. No built-in battery and no OS inside. It's a bit like the mini PC, and just need to connect it to the smartphone, no matter Android or iOS, and also connect the power to get the power, and then you can use it. And the most interesting part is have a mechanic connection to the holder, because this time besides the project provide, they also have a mechanic mental ring and also a function button. And from the use menu we get the product paramount and the display technology, DLP resolution 1280 720 pixel, and also dimensions 75.8 millimeters and 75.8 millimeters and 18.5 millimeters. Weight is just around 180 grams. So okay, this is the mechanic base. It's a holder. It can connect to the projector through the mechanical ring, and also they provide a cable and also okay, this is all stuff inside. Is okay, let's close this adapter. Okay, yes, it's for some previews and older mode of iPhone. So they don't have the Type-C. This lighting Lightning port. And yes, this is a cable to provide. Let's open it and let's check it. This is the cable. Okay. So this is the Type C to Type C white cable. I think this is for audio import, because this is for the connect to your phone, because this projector doesn't support the OS inside, so it will connect to your phone through the cable. Yes. So this is all the stuff inside, and don't forget the magnetic ring. Yes. Of stuff inside the box. Okay. So next we will test it, and I will show you how to use it. But first, let's get the mini projector from the protector film. And yes, let's get it out. Whoa. Okay, so finally it's out. Get out from the protective film for 9 bars. Okay, let's put it aside, and finally here is the projector, and here's the mechanic base holder. So let's peel it off and stick it to the projector. Nice. 849. Yes, it's a very small size, and its design is similar to the Mac Mini, and I really like the material they use is a titanium, and it looks high-end, premium, and 2 Type-C port. One is to connection to the phone, and another is connection to the power. So very easy to use, and also they have a multiple air in and air out from the 2 sides, bottom and up side. So it can really the mini projector temperature decreased a lot rapidly. I mean, okay, so mini projector, magnetic ring, magnetic holder, cable, adapter, all parts, all complete here. For this mini size projector, I think it's very portable and very suited for the the short trip, camping, or other things, or other circumstances. Now let's connect it to the power. Okay, yes, after we connect to the power, it's automatically turn on and no building. Yes, okay, this direction is correct. No signal because it doesn't connect to the phones, so no signal. And this is a function button. Very easy. From this angle, we can find the laser distance sensor and the projector lens. It's 100 lumen. Support it. Will automatically adjustment the screen size. If you move it close gap or draw the gap, yes, through the screen to the project lens. Okay, so next, I will connect the mini projector to the holder through the mechanical ring, and first stick it to the button of the mini projector, and I will press it to make it not removable. Yes, I will press it so it's not removable, and then I will connect it to to the holder, and I will test my Android device and iPhone device to check the projector if it works. Okay, so it's already connected to the base. And first, let's go to the Android device. Okay, now let's turn off the light and watch the movie. Yes. So this is the Android device, and just one cable connect to the power and one cable connect to the Android phones. And now we can enjoy the movie. And it's an immersive cinema, private cinema you can get from this iPhone 9 mini size projector. And you can adjust the holder, different angles. And also you can hold it and adjust the bar. And the screen will not lag, automatically change it as far as you adjust the screen. So it's very easy to use actually, and it's a small size, so very easy to take. And next, okay, so this is the iOS device. This is my iPhone 15 Pro, and it's connected to the projector. Yes, this is the iPhone. Also very easy. You just need to plug into the iPhone, and it will also automatically synchronize the display from the iPhone, and we can put it here and then enjoy the movie. Big screen and small screen, both. You can enjoy the cinema time with your family or your friends. So it's actually very convenient for you to take it anywhere you're camping, in-house or outdoor, and you get the cinema experience. Okay, so we can take a close look at the projector. Button up, different sides have the air in and air out. And easily connect to a device, and also you can adjust the holder, and you can adjust your smartphone, and then the display, the screen will also, the projector screen will also change, synchronized, very easy to use. And the last part, I will compare it with the traditional big projectors. Now it's the mini-sized 849 projector, and with the holder, and this is the traditional big size with a 3-volt. So as you can see, there's a big difference between these two devices. So from the size, okay, the traditional one is much bigger. Also, it have a more powerful functions, like it have a built-in OS, and it can connect to your PC, not only your smartphone, also connect to the speaker, and have a Bluetooth, and have a different functions. And with this one, you only have the pictures, the audio, and it's from the smartphone. Yeah, so this is the difference. And also for the big one, it's not so easy to carry and not so portable. Yes, and it's not, I think, not so easily to connect to your old device like Android and iOS device. We compare it. It's a big difference. And also with the 3-volt, and also the holder is also the big difference. Yes, this is it's more complicated for the normal one, and it's also more complicated So here's the difference between two devices. Okay, let's make a conclusion about today's main content. So first, unboxing the 849 mini projector and install it and test it the Android device and iPhone, Apple device, and then compared with the normal ones. So maybe you can leave a comment and let me know what you thought about the 849 mini sized portable projector. And okay, thanks for watching my short and simple video about the 849 mini sized projector. And make a comment and let me know your thoughts. And let's stay tuned waiting for more Pocket Projector from here. Okay, enjoy it. Bye bye.
怕你叫老狐狸，那有办法。现在是。